magandang buhay. This is your Lady Red Driver, and now is the time to bring you into the beauty of life. Ready? Let's go! Hi beautiful people! For today, this video na gagawin ko is how to maintain the red color of my hair. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin, nagugulat sila bakit parang hindi nagpe-fade yung red hair ko. The truth is, may sikreto ko, pero hindi na magiging sikreto kasi sasabihin ko na sa'yo kung paano kong na-maintain ang red hair color ko. Okay? Ready ka na? Ito lang yun. I'm using NCC. Okay? The Nutri-Color Cream of Revlon Products. 600 shades na Fire Red. This is my favorite. And ito ang nagre-refresh ng aking color. Okay? And one more thing, isa pa, nasasabihin ko rin sa'yo na secret ko sana, pero hindi na magiging secret. Ano yun? Kasi hindi ko palaging winawash yung hair ko.
What?
What do I mean? Okay? Hindi ko laging pinapaliguan yan. So I wash my hair if not once, if not every other day, every other 2 days. So ganun ko winawash yung hair ko para na maintain ko yung red color. Kasi maganda rin na yung natural oil ng yung scalp ang ma-release, which is what you call the sebum. Okay? So, sige, let's start. Maraming sila tatanong sa akin, bakit daw hindi nagpe-fade yung hair ko? Ano raw yung ginagawa ko? Minsan kasi, nagkikita kami, let's say, for example, yung mga friends ko, okay, nagkikita kami mga once a month, ganyan, or yung every other month, ganyan. Nag-a-ask sila sa akin, bakit hindi na nakikita nagpe-fade yung hair ko? Nagtataka sila. And eto na nga yung reason, kasi ginagawa ko, nire-refresh ko siya using my favorite NCC. Okay? So, sige, simulan natin para makita nyo paano kong ginagawa or inilalagay yung NCC sa aking hair. Oh, by the way, ang NCC nga pala, I forgot to say, maganda siya kasi hindi siya nagli-leave ng any residue sa hair. Wala siyang color build up. Kung ano yung previous color ng hair mo, once it washes yung lalagay mong color, talagang i-remove niya everything. So, matitira lang talaga kung ano yung color mo, previous color mo before. Wala siyang color build up. Okay? So, sige, simulan na natin, ha? This is the tube of NCC. Okay? This is 100 ml. Pero, NCC comes in different, aside from this one, meron siyang naka-jar din and malaking bottle. So, minsan, I'm buying yung malaking bottle para tipid kasi since red hair nga ako, so madalas kong gamitin. Pero for now, since nandito kasi tayo sa Boracay, hindi pwedeng magdala ng malaking bottle. Eto So, let's wait na lang for, actually, pwede to kahit mga around 5 or 10 minutes lang. Talagang kaya naman siyang magstay sa hair. And proven and tested ko na yan na ganun kabilis yung product na to. Pero since gusto ko pa siya na mas talagang mag-stick sa hair ko at talagang maging ma-refresh and ma-enhance, so I'm letting it stay mga 30 minutes. Okay? So, sige. Hintay tayo ng 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I will wash it na. And then I'll get back to you na tapos na. I mean, yung ibablower na lang natin. Okay? Sige, see you later. Bye!
Many minutes later.
So, this is it. Para ma-maintain na super bango siya. Although hindi na kailangan to, pero gusto ko lang siyang lagyan. Super ganda rin ang Revlon Unique One Spray. This is my favorite din. Kasi live-on siya. So every time I shampoo my hair, no need na to use conditioner. Ito na yung pinaka-conditioner ko na ginagamit. Sobrang lambot niya sa hair and easy to comb siya. Walang tangle, okay? So, ito, I'll be using it para mabango ang aking hair and at the same time, makintab siya. Lalo na pag blow-dry pa. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, by the way, may different variants nito. Different variants. I mean, it comes into 3 different variants. We have green tea, Lotus, and this one is the original. But I love this the most kasi ito yung original. Pero mabango rin yung green tea nila. Sometimes I'm also using it. Yan. So, konting spray lang. This is very handy. Pwede mo siyang ilagay lang sa wallet mo or sa bag mo. Ayan. Okay na, beautiful people, nasabi ko na sa inyo, ang malupit kong sekreto na hindi na siya sekreto kasi nga ang dami nagtatanong. So for now, it's bye-bye, paalam. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, please give me a like sign, and don't forget to subscribe here in my YouTube channel and follow me in my Facebook and TikTok account. Thank you, beautiful people. Bye-bye. Mwah, 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 mwah. God bless.